The gaming industry has always been about pushing boundaries, and handheld devices have given us some of the most iconic moments in gaming history. From the days of the Game Boy and PSP, all the way to modern powerhouses like the Steam Deck, gamers have always dreamed of one thing: bringing a full, uncompromised gaming experience into the palm of their hands. But until recently, that dream always came with sacrifices. Lower performance, weaker visuals, and limited access to your favorite games. That was the case, until ASUS stepped into the handheld arena. Their first ROG Ally was bold, exciting, and gave us a glimpse of what portable PC gaming could really look like. It wasn't perfect. Battery life, software hiccups, and a few compromises held it back from true domination, but it proved something important. The future of handheld gaming was here. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're diving deep into the ASUS ROG Ally 2, the handheld that changes everything. And now, ASUS is back with the ROG Ally 2, a handheld that isn't just a minor upgrade, but a complete game changer. With a redesigned body, smarter ergonomics, a brighter and faster display, and performance that rivals gaming laptops, the Ally 2 is shaping up to be the device that redefines portable gaming forever. The gaming industry has always thrived on innovation, and handheld devices have been at the center of some of the most exciting revolutions in modern entertainment. From the early days of the Game Boy and PSP to today's powerhouse portable consoles, the dream has always been the same: to bring uncompromised gaming experiences into the palm of your hands. For years, this idea seemed like a trade-off. Handheld consoles offered portability, but you had to sacrifice performance, visuals, or access to your full gaming library. That was the reality, until companies like Valve with the Steam Deck and ASUS with the ROG Ally decided to rewrite the rules. Now, with the release of the ASUS ROG Ally 2, the handheld gaming landscape may have entered its most transformative chapter yet. The first ROG Ally was a bold experiment by ASUS, a company already known for its dominance in the PC gaming hardware space. It wasn't just another handheld console. It was a portable Windows gaming PC that tried to deliver desktop-level performance in a form factor you could carry anywhere. While it impressed with its power, sleek design, and innovative approach, it wasn't without flaws. Battery life, software optimization, and a few hardware compromises prevented it from fully dethroning the reigning king of handhelds at the time, the Steam Deck. Still, it showed the world what was possible, and more importantly, it laid the foundation for something greater. That something is the ASUS ROG Ally 2, a device that doesn't just refine the concept but potentially redefines what handheld gaming will look like in the future. ASUS has positioned the ROG Ally 2 not just as a sequel, but as a true generational leap. With upgraded hardware, smarter design, improved battery solutions, and refined software integration, this device represents more than just an iterative update. It feels like a declaration of intent. ASUS isn't just experimenting with handheld gaming anymore, it's committing to becoming a leader in this space. And when you hold the Ally 2 in your hands, you quickly realize it's not just an incremental upgrade, but a handheld that really could change everything about the way we think of portable gaming PCs. The design of the ROG Ally 2 is one of the first aspects that captures attention. At a glance, it feels familiar, borrowing the clean white aesthetic and premium feel of the original, but closer inspection reveals a host of refinements. The ergonomics have been carefully re-engineered